Hey guys, how's it going? I just want to take a real quick minute to talk about this recall that just came out. Well, actually, it's been out since September, but I just found out about it. And I'm assuming others are going to be in the same boat. Ford has recalled multiple cameras and 2020 models. Everything from Transits to Explorers to Expeditions, Super Duty, F150. And this is something you guys need to take advantage of. If you've been having problems with your camera, even if you haven't, you may in the future. So take advantage of this recall and get your camera fixed. I'm going to include a copy of that recall message right here for you to look at. Check it out. If you have any questions, contact your Ford dealer and go ahead and get on the list if you're impacted by this. Mine has been on back order and I haven't got an update on when it's coming in. So go ahead and get your name on the list and get it coming. As always, thank you for watching and we will see you soon.